Good afternoon, everyone. I am Poonam Jhaveri. I am the daughter of the artist Rajesh Jhaveri, whom we are going to introduce today. So, he is Hyderabad based, and today we are displaying his lifelong journey of artwork in silence and observation. So, these are the artworks with his point of view, which he has seen through his life, and how he has seen the world is what we'll be displaying it today. So this painting depicts the cycle of renewal, like nature. So how they are saying is the old leaves fall and the new, the new leaves are growing. So it shows how nature dies as well as takes birth, and then how the colors are also displayed. You can see the bright colors and the dull ones. So it actually shows the life also, that how the cycle of life revolves. So they are all, there's a sadness, there's happiness. So all of this is depicted in this. You can see the new plants growing, you can see the nature, you can see the butterflies, and then again you can see how the old bark is falling down. So this is how the nature is. So this is another piece. It's called Awaiting the King's Command. So here you can see that this is a soldier ready for war with his horse, and how he is waiting for the king to command. So this shows the loyalty what he has for the kingdom, for the king, for the throne. And the detailing of this painting is, you can see, the horse hair flying, and it's all like it's coming into, it's coming in reality. So you can see the strokes, the small detailings of the soldier, his armor, his weapons, and then the field what he has set where he'll be going for the war. So this is what the artist wanted to depict. So this is like awaiting the king's command for you. So this painting is called The Guitar and the Midnight Symphony. Here the artist viewpoint is that this is the lamppost in the shape of the guitar. That's the artist's imagination, where he is showing how a man is standing playing guitar, and he is actually playing the music for the nature and for the night time especially. So you can see all the night birds, owls, and everything, all the night animals are coming and enjoying the music. So it's not for humans, it's only for the nature. That's the imagination the artist wants to show. You can see the textures, you can see if all the textures and all the drawings, what the nature is and how the nature is in the night. So this is basically, the night time. He has also put in the clock to show that it's like how the time is going and how the guitarist is enjoying his time playing the music for the nature. This painting is halfway home. This is a broken house elevation. So the artist is trying to tell that how, a man's dream is not always successful and doesn't finish in one go. So sometimes he dreams of something, the work starts, but then it's halted in between, but then still the resilience stays. So there is always a hope, and then మనం ఎంత ట్రై చేసినా ఒక రోజు we can finish our dream అని. This is a half built house which for many reasons it's not completed. So it's also depicting life in the sense that మనం ఏమైనా ప్లాన్ చేస్తే అది ఒక్క గోలో ఫినిష్ అవ్వకపోవచ్చు, బట్ we have to keep building it, and we have to keep hoping and dreaming that someday it will be good and it will be finished. So this is a perfection in imperfection అన్నమాట. So this is one more collection. This is called The Elevation of Imagination. ఇవి ఏంటంటే, these are the old arches, broken gates. How, a ruins will be seen. పాత కాలంలో అన్ని బ్రోకెన్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మీకు గేట్స్, ఆర్చెస్ ఎలా కనిపిస్తాయి, ఆ ఇమాజినేషన్తో ఆర్టిస్ట్ చేశారనమాట. ఇది కాబట్టి this one also you can see there are different colors. Ippudu over the time the paint colors, the nature's color, how they take over the broken ruins, olden days ruins, avanni depict chesaru. Introducing Rajesh K. Jhaveri. It's his artworks what I have been explaining you for. So he's my father. and he has started his artwork journey since very long, but now it's at the display at the age of 60. So this is all his lifelong journey through silence and observation, what he has been seeing the world through his eyes, and now it's on the canvas.